Now there are several heads that we have already talked about. Now a combination of all those three heads can give rise to some new terms. One of such term is static heads. So before knowing what is static head, let us know what is a hydraulic grade line. So as you all have read, the surface or the profile of a water which is generally flowing in an open channel or a pipe flow which is partially full. So when we draw that, it is known as a hydraulic grade line, right? Now what is a static head? Static head is the elevation plus pressure head, so it will not contain the velocity head, which is also known as the HGL, right? Total head is the static head plus velocity head. Okay, what is head loss? If we have 2 points, then the difference between the head between those 2 points will be known as the head loss, right? So fluids generally move from a higher head to a lower head, which we all know. So to illustrate the same, let us look at this diagram. So in this we have a head at point A. So as the flow moves through the medium, let's say it is a soil medium, so it is gradually losing some of its head. So that is shown in the piezometers that are there in the flow. So we can see that there is a gradual decrease in the head as we move forward. So therefore we can conclude that flow moves from a higher head to a lower head. Okay.